Hey everyone, this is Jake with my Bringback, continuing our 15th tutorial on the iPhone and iPad app development. And what we're going to be going through today is the UIWebView. And as you can see from the tutorial, we've got the iPad with a simple web view within the iPad parameters. So in this case, we've got Google launched, and that's what we're going to go through is actually how to develop this UIWebView connected and program that into simple applications. So we're going to go ahead and launch a new project here, and we'll just go with the simple view-based application template. Give it a name of WebView. Go ahead and create it. And as that's getting launched, we basically have to establish the outlet, and the outlet's going to be the UIWebView outlet, UIWebView. And so within that, we're going to go to the WebView view controller. Give ourselves a little bit of room, and this is where we're going to declare our outlet. And so as we declare our outlet, we're just going to simply put IB outlet, UIWebView, and then we're going to name it. So we're just going to put web page. Don't forget your semicolon at the end there. And now we're actually going to put in the UI interface into our XML, our .xib there. So as you open up your iPad, the WebView view controller.xib, go over to the right hand side and you'll see objects. You can simply scroll down or search for it here. WebView, there we go. As you drag that in, you'll see it blows up to the full screen there. Just make sure it's covering all the corners, which it's not. Drag it over your entire screen there. Go ahead and get rid of that. And then don't forget to hook up the outlet that we've established, that we've declared. And by doing that with the outlet, remember we drag from the files owner to the UIWebView, holding control while doing that, and dropping it on, and there's our outlet, which we'll declare there. Last step is we've got to go into the implementation. And within the implementation, you're going to look for this implement view did load. And so we're just going to kind of go around the scenes. We're not going to hook it into any buttons. We're just going to have it so as they launch the application, this web view is going to pop up and we'll launch the website that we specify. So when you see this, we want to activate it, so we're going to take out that brackets there and take away that. And as you can see, this came back to life, back to color for us. It's not the greened out void and nil. So we're going to give ourselves a little bit of space right after the view did controller, the curly bracket, and before the super view did controller. Sorry about that. Words are getting all jumbled. And we're going to write in a statement here. So we're going to put in our what we named our outlet. So that in our case, or what we named the UIWebView controller is web page, and then load request. And then we're going to put in brackets again. We're going to put in ns URL request, fill that in, request with URL, another bracket starting, and then ns URL, space, URL with string, and then this is where we're going to put in our web page that we specify to go to. So in this case, we're just going to put in http www.google.com, finalize it with the closed quotations, and then we're going to end it with all of our brackets that we established earlier with the semicolon. So as you can see, we've got something going on here, and I don't like it. Okay, so right here we've actually, it looks like we've self-completed something that we didn't need to when we were writing it. Right here we just need ns URL with string with your website following. Alright, so the issue's gone. So now we can simply run our application as we did previously. I'm going to go ahead and get out of the old simulator. Run your application, and as it's compiling, you should see right when you load it, our google.com should show up on the web page as your WebView controller. And this is going to be fully functional on your computer as well as on the iPad. We could simply search, and I can't type today, Apple apps, And there we go. We've got our controller here with your web-based. Again, you can turn to the side, and the UIWebView controller is going to automatically rotate everything for you and customize it to the size you need. So hopefully that helps, guys. That's kind of the basics of the UIWebView controller. It gives you a little bit more functionality. It also gives you the ability to make web-based apps through the internet and then just show them on the iPad/iPhone. So hopefully that helps. Again, subscribe, let us know what you guys are looking for, and hopefully we can help you out with the tutorials in the future on those. Thanks a lot, guys. Peace out.